alumni. Okay, you're very, very naughty girl, but otherwise you are very, settled very fast. Uh, okay,
Thank you,
Shilpa,
sir.
now you can start once again. Let me see. Yeah,
Okay, okay, sir. Everyone have joined in, sir.
yeah, yeah. Most of them. You can go.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Shilpa Mishra. I'm from 2015 to 2017 MBA pass out batch, and I'm currently working for State Street from past 3 years. So in State Street, I got placed by CMR College, and now it has been a wonderful journey in State Street because I have learned many things in MBA. Then which is helping me to grow in my career very well. Might be many of you don't know the name State Street. It is very old company, 226 years old company, and it is one of the leading custodian bank. It is placed second in overall world. So I'm very happy. I'm very delightful that CMR College have selected this company for me. And thank you so much, sir, HOD sir, especially for this State Street placement. I owe a thanks for you. And let me share some of my experience how I started my journey in CMR. So when I came to submit my documents, I came with two friends. So they were having an offer letter of Cognizant, and they were doing MBA, like not a regular MBA. They wanted to do with a job also. So my father was also telling me to do a job and do MBA. But I thought that if I do like this MBA, then there is no use to just holding a certificate will not give me the knowledge which I can learn from sitting in the college. So I decided to complete my MBA regular. So I didn't opted for job plus MBA. So I request everyone, if you want to focus in your life, just don't choose two paths at a time. Just do stick to one path, and you will succeed. uh, Sooner or later you will see the results later. So in the first year there was nothing much. We were just getting used to the college, and we were enjoying. We were making friends in first year, and then in second year I tried to focus much on studies. I used to travel 36 kilometers daily. Up means one side journey was 36 kilometers for me to travel to college. So I never go back to home and recollect, means study, open my books and study whatever teachers taught me in classes. So I used to concentrate much on classes, and that was more than enough for me. And I secured 87%, and I got an award in the first semester itself. Academic excellence award, that I was topper in the first semester. So I don't tell you that don't go back and read. I'll just suggest you, if your teachers are teaching you something, concentrately listen to them, and which is more beneficial rather than reading books. They'll tell you their life stories, or else they'll guide you the important things. They'll not guide you the all bullshit things. Whatever there is a book, they'll guide you to the point. They'll not tell you all the to read all the books and read everything. They'll uh, they'll teach you all the important stuff, whatever is needed to pass in the exam, and whatever is needed for you to settle in your later life of your career. So I'm suggesting you all that just listen, concentrate, and make a note of it, whatever they are telling, which will help you in exams also, as well as after you join your job, or when you start your career, those will be helpful. And coming to how placements will happen in CMR. For that, the preparation will start from the first semester itself. So we have a business communication class. We have many management activities on Fridays. So I was very shy in public speaking, and I was lack in public speaking, and I don't go to dayas itself to share my experience. I remember still now that I there are few instances where I went on dayas and I have shared something. So this was the one thing which was lacking in me, which was due to which I didn't crack my interviews in initial days, in when CMA was getting all the companies. So this was a bad thing which I recovered, which I overcome, and later I got placed in State Street, which was very good thing. So I'll tell the important thing in these classes are they'll teach you everything. They'll teach you how to stand in front of interviewer, how to talk, how to do eye contact. Everything they'll teach you. But everything is on your plate, you should move your hand to grab it. So if you don't make efforts, then you will not see the results in your life. So my with my experience I can tell you that learning, I was just learning, I was not making efforts. So when I started making efforts, the resultant was now what where I'm wherever I'm. So from first year, if you start listening to the business communication skills class or else managerial activities, if you make efforts starting from first semester, then in fourth semester, they'll you should not make much efforts. You'll grab the interview quickly. Not you'll not suffer much. So there was many instances where everyone every means I was topper of the college. I One of the topper of the college. So instead of having subjective knowledge, I was lacking on interviews. So this was depressing me. This was demotivating me inside only. So seeing others who were not good in that subject knowledge, but they were cracking interviews. So in MBA, if you see the other interviews, the interview will not be much tougher. They will only see your communication skills. If you are good at communication skills, then you will crack the interview first, second, third round. And if you are good in subjective knowledge, then you will crack your fourth round. So both the things are equally important. If you don't know subject basics, then you'll not crack the fourth round. If you don't know the communication skills, you'll not crack the first, second, and third round. So equally important, your both things are there. If your communication skills are weak, you should improve it. If you lack in a subject knowledge, then you should make your efforts from day one. So I started making the efforts after 3-4 interviews. So one day what happened, there was a call from VIT college. They called HOD sir and they told ki, uh, you have to send some people, there is an interview going on, can you send some people? So he suggested only the top students, top 10 students should be are invited, not everyone. So among us, the top 10 were selected, and we traveled to uh, there was some place, I don't remember that place, but we traveled there. We don't know the route also. So we were searching in Google, and we were calling HOD sir frequently, and we went there. But when we went there, we missed the first session, first round of it. They were introducing the company, so that round we missed it. So we don't know what interview was going to happen and which company is interviewing. We were not aware of it. And at the time when we were traveling, none of the 10 people had resumes in the hand. So we downloaded the resumes, we printed resumes in a Xerox shop, and then we started our journey. So when we reached there, the first round was already happened. So from second was the written test. We cleared it. Among us, only two people didn't cleared it, and rest of everyone cleared the second round. So the third round, they have conducted the next day. So in the third round, many of the people means only two got selected, only two or three got selected for the fourth round. So they asked me this question: what do you know about the state street, or what do you know about the company? So as I was not aware of State Street, but I googled. I When I went to the interview beforehand, I googled it. I learned about what the company is doing, everything. So I was able to tell the answer immediately. But there was no preparation. Nothing was done among us. So in those 10 people, I was the one who was selected for this company. And I remember the date still. It was December 11, 2016, and the one day before of my birthday. So I still remember the date. I got selected. Then after I got selected, I received my offer letter 5 months later. I didn't received it immediately. That was also a turning point, depressing point. Means everyone after me are getting the offer letter, but still I am not getting. I was depressed. So overcoming your fears, overcoming your boundaries. So if you sit in the benches, if you don't stand, if you don't keep on practicing what they are saying, then you will not be able to achieve success in your life. If you don't start, if you don't start keeping efforting, or you don't start whatever they are telling to do, then nothing will be good, nothing will turn up good. So start making efforts, start asking questions, start asking doubts, start asking them to help you for your fears, or to overcome your fears, to overcome your boundaries. So this will help, they will help you in everything. For business communication, I just remember that business communication class, my sir used to tell me that go to the stage. Unless you go to the stage, I will not be able to tell you where you are lacking. So unless you do that thing, you will not be able to know where you are lacking things. So just saying that, listen to your teachers, listen what they are saying, concentrate on classes and state and everything. And MBA teachers will provide you all type of placement, all whatever is needed for interview, they'll guide you. Whatever needed for subjective matter, they'll guide you. in everything they'll guide you. Just need your efforts to put on, and uh, if you don't put on efforts, then it's your life, then you will not succeed. They'll they're just a batch, they'll go will go on, but for you they are keeping all the efforts. If you don't keep the efforts, then everything will go on ruin, right? So last thing is, success does not depend on what others think for you. Success depends on on the first step what you take for yourself. So this is how I experienced things in MBA. I experienced things in my life. I was told by my father that don't go, because I was studying in a girls college. So in MBA there was a it was co-ed college. So my father told me ki don't go to that college because you're a girl and you have to travel this much. So but HOD sir helped me that okay fine, she's safe here, she'll be learning here, she'll be making career out of here. So that belief gave my father a hope that yes, she can do a thing in her life, and she can make me proud. So everything is in your plate, everything at the end of fourth semester, everything is in your plate. Your efforts will decide that you will have that thing, or you will remain unsuccessful. That's it, I guess. If you have anything, if you have any queries relating to any interview, how to crack interview,
Yeah,
you can
Shilpa,
ask me.
so first question from my side. Okay. So
Okay.
after a long time, I've seen you. Okay. So the first thing is, you were just telling them
Hmm.
that how you manage, the interview,
Hmm.
because nothing was there in your hands. On the way to the interview, you just taken a, printout of
Resume.
your resume,
Hmm.
and you just went there. And by the time
Yes.
you went there, everything was over. Just the introduction of the company was over. And but
Yes.
otherwise still you are doing you are just Google everything, and on the way to that interview you just got to know about everything about the company. This is what I want my students to do, because they have to prepare themselves. That those days everything just went like that, but now you have to have a preparation. And you have to when before you go to any company, you should know the basics. You should know what exactly the company is, what exactly the job is, and then you go there. That is how you're going to be very safe and very much clear. So that is what I wanted to tell you. But then you managed. You people definitely know how to manage. But there are some
That
people
was
who
that was because of whatever was taught in my classes, how to behave in front of interview, how to sit, how to stand, how to hold your hands, how to do eye contact. Everything Google will not say you, sir. Google will just share you the information, but the main teachings are in classes. The main teachings you should concentrate on classes. Google will just give you information, but how to behave and how to communicate with people, everything we got from classes.
Okay, Shilpa. Yeah. So anybody want to, this is a very good opportunity of meeting your seniors, alumni who have cracked these jobs and who are well settled there. She also told you about her experiences, regarding the job and everything. So how best you can do any sort of doubts? Yes, students, you can just ask her about her journey, about her job, and about her cracking this job, and how to be patient. I first of all I want to congratulate Shilpa. The day you got this job, and the time
Fine.
between the time between the cracking this interview and then got selected and then getting the offer letter, there was a huge gap. It was almost 5 months.
Yes, sir.
There was sleepless nights for you, and you coming into every day to me, and
And asking about
asking
resume,
about this issue,
how
and asking about this job and
collect.
everything. I still remember those days.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it was very tough, but otherwise, patience is ultimate. You have to wait, then you will definitely get it. So that
And
is how students. You please, you can come out with questions now. I hand over. Yeah, I hand over to these questions to.
one more thing, sir. As I am woman, and from start of my job, I'm doing night shift. So it is purely night shift, 7:30 to 4:30 a.m. So I can tell you one thing: the job will the safety of the women's company will take care of the safety. So don't need tell your parents that if it is night shift also, if you have that zeal, yes, convince your parents and tell them that you can do it. Then see, and everything
Good
will be
evening, sir.
safe in the
Salar
organizations.
Gupta sir, Rajnikant sir.
Yes, Madhara sir, you have got any question?
Yeah, yes, sir. 1 second, Rajnikant sir.
Yeah, I think Shilpa, you remember, the ultimate person behind these placements. You remember this, sir? Madhara sir.
Madhav sir, yes, he got my resume. He got my offer letter also. He was the first person who
No,
got my
I can, Shilpa, I can remember you came to my office every day, sir, when
yeah.
for my interview is gone. And one thing I want to tell all the students, I came to the classes also, keep 2 resumes at your bag, at your gap. Whenever you will get the call, we
Yes.
don't know, you have to very rush. Keep a file, photographs, and all these things also mention at the time of orientation. Anyhow, you missed, you got the job, but that's how all of a sudden happened. Nice to see you, Shilpa Mishra, for coming for a discussion. It's a pandemic situation is going on. Your juniors are in panic state. Like what is our jobs and all these things also. But we tried our best doing some
You
virtual internships with it is offering some companies and through Intentional we are doing all these things. My simple question from you, Mishra, is as you are, you know that as you are which field you are selected, just tell that which skills are is needed for the students to get the job immediate. Immediate job means good settlement in till less time, less
okay?
time and good settlement. What technologies they are needed, what the technical skills is needed to settlement the job. That is my responsibility, right? Obviously, it is also happened, it is my task also. It is very helpful to the students also if you can tell those things.
So I choose the finance subject in my electives. So there is nothing that you have. If you choose finance, you'll get job immediately, or if you choose HR, you'll get job immediately. So whatever elective you choose, there are many jobs out here. So whatever elective you choose, you should be perfect in it. You should have that. Feel that yes, you can do it. Yes, it is, if I choose this elective, it will help me in the future career. So in finance, if I say I work for stock exchange market, so says the stock exchange thing, the bullish market, the bearish market, whatever the content was there in the classes, that is applied to the work field. So whatever the question will be, the basic things, accounting entries, the accounting for the freshers especially, they'll ask the basics thing. They'll not ask the expertized questions that if I do this entry, what where it will affect it will they'll not ask you. They'll just they'll check the basic communication skills in you, and they'll check how much you are good in basics. If you are choosing elective of finance, then how much good at finance you are. If you are choosing marketing, then how much good you are at selling a product. HR, then people skills should be required. So basic things is required, not in depth things. If you are good at basic things, then yes, you can crack interviews easily.
Yeah. Yeah. Any questions? Yeah. Very good, Shilpa. Very good. That was very absolute. And yeah, any questions from students, please? Anybody, if you want to ask, you can please unmute yourself and then straight away ask her. No, that is how the interaction goes on,
And you can
ladies and
start
gentlemen.
out.
So you need to know a lot. You need to know a lot of things. Okay. So that is how you come up right now. You know, you are speaking to a person who was your senior. Okay. She's not any foreigner, or otherwise she's not away any alien. She is a
I was
CMRTCN,
also shy.
and you can ask her
I
questions.
was also shy in asking questions in classes and in interactive sessions, and I was also shy in going to dayas and speaking to audience, big audience, or a might be they were my friends, but I was a fear of I had a nervousness to speak. But now I'm conducting training sessions to over than 200 people in my office. So it is just because of if you come out from your walls, then you can do everything. So ask questions, how much you will ask, you how then you will acquire it.
No, Shilpa, I know that just now you said, you're training for about 200
200
people,
people.
200 people,
Hmm.
first of all, myself, Department of MBA and CMRTC College, management, everybody are so happy and proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
To be personal, I never expected that you're going to train a person, but you are a trainer for about 200 people in your company.
That
Absolutely
too,
fine, absolutely good.
I train to managers and AVP levels staff. Means I don't train on my staff level. I train on big levels.
Super, super. That is very good. Absolutely fantastic.
And
Absolutely fantastic.
within 3 years, I got promoted twice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Congratulations.
Thank
Congratulations.
you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Very good. Very good. Yeah, I request my students to come in first years. This is how you're going to come out. Okay. I don't expect you people sitting quiet because you are very talkative first years. Shilpa, my first years are very talkative, just like you. Not on the stage, but off the stage. But I want them to come onto the stage now. Okay. This is a platform how you can interact with these people. Yeah. First years. Anybody? CS, are you? First, let me start with CS. Are you there, Laya? Laya, are you there? Madhusudan?
I was also class representative when I
Yeah, you're
was
also CR, I remember. Yeah. Spurti madam, are you there? Spurti madam?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Yeah, none of our first years are coming forward. I think there are some second year students are also there.
Kaveri is talking, I think.
Is a very old concept. It dates back to 1377.
Hello?
My question is it part of life?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Kaveri.
Yeah, come out.
Kaveri,
Uh,
let's get out.
yes.
Yeah, please ask
Uh,
ma.
Good evening, everyone. This is Kaveri from first year.
Yeah.
So, how can I call you? So Shilpa ma'am, you have gone through many interviews, right? You said
yes,
that you were not selected in the first few interviews.
yes, yes. I was not
Like,
selected
can you please
to
tell
3
me,
to
like,
4 interviews.
can you tell me what were the difficulties that you have faced? Like, do you know the reasons that why you were not selected?
The two
What do you have?
difficulties which I was lacking from first was public speaking and not speaking in front of the strangers. So one was jam session and one was round table conference session. So in those two things I was lacking. I was good at facing interview one on one. I was good at if manager round was taken, then I was good at that. But I was not good at jam session. I was not good at round table conference sessions. So these two things was difficult for me.
Yeah, well, Shilpa, what real inputs these people need now? Because they're in first year, and now they are going through these management activities. They've gone through these management activities actually. Now they are doing their internships, online internships.
Okay.
They're learning a
Okay.
lot of things actually. Now they have been given opportunity to come out with PPT presentations also regarding their academics. Now this is also a part of of bringing you people to interact with them, or they are coming to interact with you. This is another beautiful, what you say, a constructive decision taken by management to interact, students, present students with alumni to share their experience and all those things. Now, how do you think that? All these things will they really help out, because now, because of pandemic, they can't come to college. Now we can't go to them. What we can do is online. So where we can use these type of social media platforms. Now, what really you think that that these people can fetch out of these particular programs? How best they can
uh,
utilize these things?
First of all, attending classes whatever they are being taught online, and second thing is searching, googling the things, searching among themselves. Like, you have to research we have to research the history, you have to research what you are learning, you have to go through the similar videos. Like, if your communication skill teacher is teaching you how to behave in front of interview, there are many videos in internet that can help you how actually interviews are going through. So something they teachers are teaching us, and something we have to research from our end, so that the both from both side, if efforts are being made, then it will help the students.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening. Who is this?
Uh, this is Laya. So my net was slow. Unfortunately, unable to talk.
Yeah, yeah. No problem. We can hear you, Laya. You got any question?
Yes, sir. Good evening, Shilpa ma'am.
Good. I don't
Actually,
agree, ma'am. I'm just student. I was
it's
also a
okay.
student.
Okay. Good evening, sister.
Good evening.
Yeah, everyone has the doubt of how to attend the interview. Everyone has the fear of attending the interview. And can you please tell how to behave in front of the interview and how to behave in front of interview group? Can you please?
Okay, so the first basic rounds in many interview in many offices they do is jam session. So you have to speak in front of whole public and means strangers for 5 minutes. So they'll in that interview, in that round, they'll not hear the subject means what you are telling. They'll just listen to the communication skills means they'll listen to the flow of sentences of how you are making. So the first round is the first round you have the communication skills is tested. Mostly I can say that for 1 to 3 rounds will be your communication test, and the last 2 3 rounds whatever will be there, that will be subject related, that will be your basic things for electives. Means if you are choosing finance, then finance job, they'll ask you concepts. In HR they'll ask you about people's management, everything. So in first 2 3 rounds communications is must. So if you are best in communication, then you can crack the first 3 rounds. If you are best in a subject knowledge, then you can crack the fourth and fifth round. If you are overall good, then you can crack the interview.
Okay, sis. Thank you.
Yeah, any somebody from boys? I think I heard a voice. Somebody was coming forward to ask a question. Anybody from boys?
Sir, it's me, sir, Shamshul.
Yeah, Shamshul.
Hi, Shilpa, this is Shamshul here. I'm having a question
Hello.
that does the confidence ever matter in the interview?
Yes, confidence matters a lot. If you are not confident enough with your answer, if you are repeating yourself, then yes, the interviewer will not select you. If you are confident enough that whatever you are speaking is right for you, then yes, he will see your confidence. If you are mistaken in sentence or grammars also, he'll ignore that.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for that, Shilpa.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Yes. Anybody? Any more?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Who is this?
Sir, this is Raviteja, sir.
Yeah, Ravi Teja, please.
Hi, Shilpa, ma'am.
Hello.
My doubt is, I think you have gone through lots of interviews.
Yes.
In before getting selected, in each and every interview, you could have find the negative points that you made in each and every interview.
Of
Uh,
Yeah.
company, of myself or of company?
no. Everyone do some mistakes in.
Yeah. I got him. You know, Shilpa, what he's trying to ask you is, you know, all those interviews which you have failed. Let me put it this way,
Hmm.
where you could not crack it. I think you found out all those you know
Very
loop.
public speaking, lack of
No, no.
public
What are those what is that lacuna you faced? That is the reason why you could not crack those interviews, and how you identified and how you have
How did you overcome that?
overcome those
Okay.
mistakes or whatever it is.
I identified by seeing the other people, other my classmates. They are cracking. Why can't I crack it? So I was thinking. Then I just I came out with a solution that for which round I was being unselected. So it was mostly jams and roundtable conference one. So I thought that I have subject knowledge. I can speak. I have good words also to speak. But I fear is that the small words and is there or so. When we are speaking in public, we will lack in these words. We will think that whatever sentence we are saying, we cannot. That is not perfect one. So I overcome it by reading many books, by reading newspapers, and by seeing videos, and listening to the classes also. Listening to the sir, especially how he is telling, how others are speaking very good, and how I am not speaking. So I figured it out, and I overcome it through these things.
Yeah,
Thank
this is
you.
how you are going. That is how you are going to learn the things. Yeah. Any more questions, please?
Sir, me, sir.
Yes. Anybody? Who is
Emma,
this?
sir.
Emma.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, you can come out, Emma. Come. Yeah, please. Go ahead. Go ahead with your
Hello,
question.
ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, it's my question that what is the best career decision you have ever made?
State Street, working in State Street, electing finance as I was good in accounts, so I elected finance. I choose finance as my elective in MBA, and then State Street was my turning point actually. Working here, learning many things about stock market, learning about how people trade in a stock market. This was my turning decision. Actually, a state, but also finance elective.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. 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 Please, students, come in.
I'm
Good evening,
happy,
sir.
sir. Uh,
Yeah. Good evening. Who is this?
Sir, I'm Supriya, sir.
Yeah. Supriya, go ahead.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I just had a doubt, like when we fail to crack an interview, ma'am. Like people say that we are supposed to take the feedback from the interviewer.
No,
Like, is it?
you don't need the feedback from interviewer. You can find it yourself. You can find it where others. You can check with your friends. Means many of the interviewer will not give you feedback, so you can ask your friends where they were good, how they got selected, and how you didn't got selected, and you should make out what was the differences, and then you have to overcome it.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, this is Shobha.
Hello, Shobha.
Yeah, as like you, I want to choose a specification as finance.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. what is the best advice you can give for us as a finance student?
As a finance student, see, if you are choosing finance elective, then all of your classes matters. If you miss any class, then you will not be able to identify.
Understand.
You will not be able to get the flow of that subject.
Subject.
So yes, for a finance elective, you should attend all the classes.
Okay. This is for subjective knowledge, or can
Yeah,
you
anybody
tell me
on the
about
line?
the interviews?
Yes, subjective knowledge. Yes,
Hello?
for finance people only. Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
For finance people, they'll ask much about finance things and communication skills that you'll get it from communication class. That is common for all the electives.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I come in actually regarding choosing of electives? Who was this? Shobha, are you there?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
Shobha.
Yeah. I'll tell you one particular advice. Actually, I'll talk to you everybody before choosing electives. But because you have asked this question, I'll tell you one thing. Choosing an elective depends upon your instinct. Okay, you know how much you are interested in those subject
Yeah.
and what you can do. Just don't depend on others. Somebody has asked you to take. Otherwise somebody said, this is easy to crack the exams. Otherwise, this is theory, you can make it out very easily. I understand these difficulties, but taking an elective, choosing an elective is very, very important in your life and as course, because that will definitely take you to that level where you cannot look back. Because if you're choosing an elective and then after that, after completing the course, then you cannot repent. You cannot go back and say, no, why did I take? Because somebody has told me. Now I'm not interested. I'm interested in that elective. You cannot say all those things. So before choosing, you just check out all these check points and then note down very clearly that what makes you to take this elective: finance, marketing, or HR. As Shilpa has just said, now there are a lot of jobs available for every elective. Don't think that only finance have jobs, and don't think that only marketing is only for boys, and don't think that HR is only for girls. You can't jump into conclusion. You have to choose an elective where you are interested, where you can show your skills and where you can do it. Because there are boys in HR, there are girls in marketing, there are everybody in finance, and so don't think that only finance has got jobs. Every elective has got jobs. Otherwise, this economy doesn't run. First of all, okay.
Okay.
So choose the best what you think. Choose the best what you think.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
And adding to the point, boys and girls comparison, so I can add that I'm doing night shift, so mostly 90% in my on my floor are men's, but I feel safe there. So there is nothing they dominate us or they do anything harmful for us. Boys and girls can choose any electives depending upon their interest. So don't make choices on bias of boys can only do this and girls can only do this.
Yeah, that is true.
Ma'am,
That is true. Yeah, who is this?
means a sister. Actually, I have the another doubt. Again, it's Laya. We are doing so many internships. How it will be useful in the jobs? Can you please?
So internship work field it is helpful. It will not help you in cracking interviews, but it will add on point that you have done internship in so many companies. But yes, it gives help after you get the job. So the add-on point is working there and having knowledge of a field actually help you after the job.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Anybody?
Actually, I'm happy, sir, that many questions came up, and I never expected. I thought will be a boring session that
No,
only I should
as
cover.
I told you, Shilpa, my first years are very, very talkative. But
Yeah,
of
when
the
we
days, yeah. So now
when we
because
were
this
in
is
freshman,
offline, yeah, because
yeah,
this is online, this is on, this type of platforms. Because they can't show their face, they're coming out. I suppose.
yeah.
Okay. But what I expect them is to show their face and come on to video and then they talk to you. But yeah, we will definitely go on with these type of sessions daily. Starting from today, you have opened up. It's a good sign. We'll continue these sessions for the next few days, almost a month. The coming month, we'll be in these sessions.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Any more questions, please? Anybody are there online?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Who is this?
Yeah, sir. Sir, this is Sonali.
Yeah, Sonali, please go ahead.
Okay, sir. Ma'am, I have one question. When we are attending an interview, at last, interviewer are asking like, do you have any questions or do you have any queries? Then, what type of questions would we ask to them, or otherwise simply tell them no or anything?
Okay, you can ask about their company. You have to ask positive points. You cannot ask negative points. You can ask about. Tell me more about the company. I want to know it, and tell me how can I get a good career in this company. Like, what are the other levels which I can be. If I choose this company, what are the other levels waiting for me? So the positive points of the company, the positive points after choosing this company, how it is helpful, you can ask them. And you can also ask the interviewer how much he can pay you, and you can negotiate it also. But only in rare cases, many of the interviewer doesn't like it. So it is well and good if we keep it simple and
Live
short
notes on the call.
questions like about company and about their environment in the company, how they are dealing with the environments, everything you can ask.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, there was some other girl. Yeah, I could hear another
Hello,
voice.
sir. This is Afiza.
Afiza, yeah, come in.
Hello, Shilpa ma'am. You have gone through
Hello.
many interviews, no?
Yes, yes.
And what type of questions you have been asked frequently?
Okay, questions was actually whenever I was not selected, that was for jam and this. So I didn't went to the personal round much. So I went to up to the last level of interview only on State Street interview. So for State Street interview, I have been asked for the concepts of accounting, the golden rules of accounting, and they have given me the some entry like if there is a capital for, then what entry should be needed, etc. That entry they asked me. And final question was, what do you know about the company, and what do you think, do you have a career in it, and do you think that uh, we as a company we can serve you, as a company we are suitable for you? So these were the questions.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, and Afiza, and the thing is that it depends. It depends. It varies from
Yes.
company to company how they are going to ask questions.
Yeah, I know, sir. But asking these type of questions will help.
Yeah. I know. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Very good.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So, yeah, thank you. I think time is up and we have to close the session.
Sir,
Uh,
one doubt,
uh,
sir.
yeah, who is this?
Uma, sir.
This will be the last question. This will be the last question. Don't worry, we have more alumni coming in from tomorrow also. Yeah. So one last question, please. Who is this?
Hema,
Humaira?
Hema,
Is it
sir.
Yema, please come in.
Ma'am, just now you told for Sonali, right? Talking about the salary. It is necessary, ma'am, to talk about the salary while they were telling
It
that.
depends. It
No, ma'am.
depends. Okay.
Ma'am, we're telling that while in our college interviews, like placements, we should not ask about the salary, it seems, ma'am. So